sunflower farmers processing through their sunflowers, and I decided to use their technique. This sunflower started to lean over because it was done. It was too heavy for the stalk to hold. Here's the stalk that I cut here. So I just cut the stalk straight. I cut a hole into the disc of the sunflower and I slammed it on top of the stalk, straight up so that the birds can land on it. To cut the sunflowers, you're definitely gonna need a machete, a knife, or some really big shears. Now the birds will be able to land on here and eat, and if they dry out enough, we'll even be able to come by and pick some off.